You want children to be happy, to feel engaged, to be on quest, finding answers for their never-ending questions, or to have questions. You want them to think critically about the information that they are receiving. You want them to question and not take the information at face value. You want them to have relationships, to have everlasting friendships. You want them to feel prepared for this future that nobody knows about yet. But how does that happen? Because within this world, people are ridiculed, they are stigmatized, they are excluded if they are different, or if they feel differently or behave differently as compared to people around them. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I head an enterprise called Ginny's Planet. Ginny's Planet is building a world where being different is okay, where nobody is odd one out on the basis of differences. And who is Ginny? Ginny is this girl with radial club hand and vision problems. She has 9 fingers. She and Sai is a friend who has vitiligo. Ginny and Sai represent human diversity for us. They don't represent all diversity, but they showcase parts of human diversity that exist in this world. So through dolls, stories, and workshops such as practicing empathy, understanding disability as diversity, being different is being okay, or inquiry as a way of life, we nurture this way of thinking among children that it is okay to be different, and being different is not something that is bad. You know who are our biggest ambassadors and biggest supporters? They are children and parents like you who believe in building a world like this. So join us, get in touch with us, and let's build a world where being different is okay.